Welcome back. Hope you are keeping safe. Hoping this video will bring joy to you. Will you share this with friends? Meyer's parrot, also known as the brown parrot, is a species of parrot native to Africa. A Meyer's parrot has black feathers, turquoise belly, blue rump, and bright yellow markings on the carpal joint of the wings. Most subspecies have some yellow on the top of the head as well. Forshaw recognizes 6 subspecies, which vary in home range, size and in markings, including the extent of yellow markings to the head and wings and the intensive turquoise markings on the belly and rump. Thanks a lot, and see you very soon. Till then, take care of you and family.